In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Slack status with Google Calendar, a real-time saver for busy professionals. Imagine having your Slack status automatically update to reflect your availability based on your calendar engagements without needing to lift a finger. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate this tool and make your workday just a little bit smoother. First, let's dive into adding Google Calendar to Slack. Open your Slack application and navigate over to the Apps section. In this area, you'll find a wealth of tools and resources you can integrate with Slack. Use the search function to find Google Calendar. Once you locate it, you're going to want to click on Add to Slack. This process will prompt you to sign in to your Google account, so make sure you have those details handy. Linking these accounts is a breeze and sets the foundation for effortless communication between Slack and Google Calendar. Next, you'll need to enable automatic status updates to make sure your statuses reflect your actual calendar in real time. Open the Google Calendar app within Slack. Navigate over to the Settings section, and there you'll find an option to automatically update my Slack status. Make sure this is turned on. Now comes a little personalization. You can customize your status messages to say something like "in a meeting" or any other phrase that suits your style and your workplace norms. This customization helps communicate your availability clearly to your colleagues and streamlines communication. After setting up your automatic updates, it's crucial to select which calendars or event types should trigger these updates. Depending on your role or the way your work week unfolds, you might have different calendars or types of meetings. Choose whichever ones make the most sense for you to keep your availability current across platforms. Managing this cleverly ensures Slack continuously pulls accurate information from your Google Calendar, and with those steps complete, you're all set. The result is quite simple yet effective. When a meeting starts, your Slack status will update automatically, reflecting the precise nature of your engagement. Once the meeting concludes, your status will revert back. It's like having a personal assistant manage your digital presence without you lifting a finger. This feature not only improves your workflow, but also ensures that anyone trying to contact you through Slack knows exactly when you are occupied and when you are free. So, whether you're constantly in back-to-back meetings or simply want to keep your team in the loop with your availability, syncing Slack with Google Calendar is your ticket to hassle-free, streamlined communication. Enjoy a more organized, efficient workday with this powerful integration. Good luck and happy syncing.